Hello students, welcome in the chemistry class. Today our topic of discussion is imperfections in the solids. Imperfections means defect, अर्थात कोई कमी सॉलिड्स में किस टाइप से डिफेक्ट्स आते हैं उसके बारे में. Imperfections, what are imperfections or defect? Any change in the regular arrangement of the sphere showing position of atoms, ions or molecules is called defect or imperfection. किसी भी सॉलिड के रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट में कोई भी डिफरेंस जब आता है उसे डिफेक्ट कहते हैं. कोई भी क्रिस्टल केवल परफेक्ट तभी होता है उसमें रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स हो, और वो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है बिकॉज नन ऑफ द क्रिस्टल इज परफेक्ट and it may be only at absolute temperature. It is the flow chart for the defects. So there are mainly two defects, point defects and line defects. Point defects are divided into stoichiometric defect and non-stoichiometric defect. Again, stoichiometrics are classified into 5 types of defects and non-stoichiometric defects are of 2 types. So in stoichiometric means whole number ratio is maintained. Non-stoichiometric means whole number ratio of cation to anion is disturbed. And these defects we will discuss one by one in detail. Types of imperfections. Number 1, point defect. When there is the irregularity or deviation from ideal behavior with respect to one atom और एक एटम में ही केवल चेंज आता है तो इसे हम कहते हैं पॉइंट डिफेक्ट. लाइन डिफेक्ट, व्हेन द इरेगुलरिटी और डेविएशन और चेंज फ्रॉम आइडियल अरेंजमेंट टेक्स प्लेस इन द एंटायर रो ऑफ द लैटिस पॉइंट्स और कंप्लीट लाइन इज डिस्टर्ब्ड, देन इट इज नोन एज द लाइन डिफेक्ट. सो पॉइंट डिफेक्ट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू वन एटम एंड लाइन डिफेक्ट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द होल लाइन. Now type of point defects, these are of 3 types: stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect and impurity defect. First of all, stoichiometric defect, and that is known as when disturbance or defect takes place in such a way that the ratio of cations to anions is not disturbed, it remains as whole number ratio, that is known as stoichiometric defect. These are 2: vacancy defects and interstitial defects. So we will discuss these one by one. Vacancy defect means some of the particles are missing from their lattice point and these are creating a vacancy. In this case, density decreases and this type of defect takes place only in presence of heat or temperature. On heating it occurs. Interstitial defect means some foreign particles occupy the interstitial site, or inside the molecule also some particles leave their site but enter in the interstitial site. So these may be in non-ionic defect and that is simple defect. Stoichiometric defect in ionic solids. Vacancy and interstitial defects are different and these are stoichiometric defect. Number 1, it is found when in an ionic crystal equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice site, and because equal number of cations and anions are missing, so electrical neutrality is maintained. It is found in compounds where size of cations and anions are same. Again, it is found in compounds where coordination number is low. For example, NaCl, KCl, potassium chloride, cesium chloride, AgBr, all these are having nearly same radius of cations and anions. Example is given: one cation and one anion are missing from the lattice points and that is Schottky defect and it remains electrically neutral. Frankel defect. Second type or next type of defect is Frankel defect. If an ion is missing from its lattice site, एक आयन अपनी जगह मिस कर जाता है, बाहर निकल जाता है, and displaces to the interstitial site, और interstitial site में जगह ले लेता है, then it is known as Frankel defect. It is also known as dislocation defect because dislocation of the particle is taking place. In this type of defect, इस defect में electrical neutrality is maintained because none of the ion is missing from the site. Again, it is found where cation to anion have high coordination number. Coordination number means number of particles surrounding a particular particle. It is found in compounds where there is large difference in the size of cation and anion. For example, zinc sulfide, silver chloride, silver bromide, and silver iodide, and that is Frankel defect. This diagram is indicating clearly the Frankel defect as well as Schottky defect. On one side, positive and negative ions, positive or negative ions, or one of them is occupying interstitial site. And in case of Schottky defect, positive and negative ions, equal number of positive and negative ions are missing from their lattice site, and with this effect, in both of the cases, electrical neutrality is maintained because none of the cation or anion is missing in extra numbers, and whole number ratio is maintained. Non-stoichiometric defect. These are of two types. Non-stoichiometric defect means when defect takes place in such a way that the ratio between the cation to anion is not same in whole number ratio. One is metal excess defect. Metal excess defect means ratio of cation becomes larger than the anion, and this example can be explained as by taking sample of NaCl is heated in presence of sodium vapors. What happens? From sodium chloride, chloride ions move to the surface, and on the surface sodium atoms are there. So these sodium atoms lose electron and form Na plus to combine with Cl minus. The electron formed at the surface enter in the lattice site and takes position left by the anion, and these electrons are known as the F centers, and these are responsible for the color of the salt. So sodium chloride when heated in presence of sodium vapors gives yellow color. In the same way, lithium chloride when heated in presence of lithium vapors, it gives pink color, and potassium chloride when heated in presence of potassium vapors, it gives violet color. So F centers are the name derived from word form means color, and these are responsible for the color of the salt. So in this example, one extra electron is entered in the lattice site, which is left by the loss of anion, and it is known as metal excess defect because the ratio of cation to anion is increased. Number of cations is more than number of anion. Metal deficiency defect. Now, as the name indicates, the ratio of metal to anion means cation to anion decreases, and it is due to number one, replacement of metal ion in lower valency by some metal ion with high valency. In this case, the metal ions may be same or different. In first example, Fe0.980 has this defect. As the formula indicates, the ratio of iron to oxygen is not in whole number ratio. So it appears when in the crystal lattice of FeO, some of the Fe plus 2 ions are replaced by Fe plus 3 ions. So 3 Fe plus 2 are replaced, 3 Fe plus 2 रिप्लेस होंगे एंड उनकी पोजीशन केवल 2 Fe plus 3 ले पाएंगे. इस तरह से एक पॉजिटिव वैकेंसी क्रिएट हो जाती है और रेशियो मेटल टू एनायन, कैटायन टू एनायन इज डिक्रीज्ड, एंड डायग्राम इज शोइंग द entry of the metal ion with larger valency in the crystal lattice of salt with lower valency, and that is the point for impurity defect. Entry of some foreign substances in the crystal lattice of other solid substances means किसी आयनिक क्रिस्टल के, आयनिक सॉलिड के क्रिस्टल लैटिस में अगर किसी एक ऐसे आयनिक सॉलिड को मिलाया जाए जिसमें कैटाइंस की वैलेंसी, तो मेन सॉल्ट है उसके कैटाइन से ज़्यादा हो, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में कैटाइन वैकेंसीज क्रिएट हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन NaCl इज डोप्ड विद SrCl2 एंड सॉल्ट इज क्रिस्टलाइज्ड. तो NaCl सोडियम इज हैविंग +1 वैलेंसी एंड SrCl2 strontium is having 2 valency. So one strontium ion will replace 2 sodium ion. One position is occupied by strontium ion and one vacancy is created. In the same way, NaCl is doped with AlCl3. It is also known as the doping. So number of vacancies are equal to difference of valency in the two ions. In case of aluminium, 2 vacancies are created in this molecule. In strontium chloride, 1 vacancy is created. Impurity defect in the covalent solids. Covalent solids like carbon family, diamond, graphite and silicon, mainly silicon and germanium, which act as the semiconductors. How these semiconductors are formed? These are formed by the impurity defect or entry of some foreign element in the crystal lattice of 14 group element. 14 group element have 4 valence electrons, and if 13 group or 15 group elements are doped in elements of 14 group in their modern state, so either positive vacancy is created or 1 extra electron is added. How this happens? Number 1, electron rich impurities means entries of the impurities which are electron rich. So when 15 group elements are doped in the element of 14 group, 1 extra electron is added because 15 group elements are having 5 electrons, but silicon family is having 4 electrons. So these electrons are responsible for the electrical conductivity and are known as N-type semiconductors. Now, electron deficient impurities. Silicon, germanium, when doped with 13 group elements like boron, aluminium, gallium, जिनके पास केवल 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, तो कार्बन का जो 4th इलेक्ट्रॉन है इट रिमेन्स अनऑक्युपाइड and 1 vacancy which is positively charged is created by the entry of 13 group element in the 14 group element, and this positive hole or electronic vacancy is responsible for the increased electrical conductivity of the semiconductor, and these are known as p-type semiconductors. This diagram is indicating N-type and p-type semiconductors. In first type, N-type semiconductors, in case of silicon, the main element, the antimony is entered in it. Antimony is having 5 electron, 1 electron more than silicon. So by entry of antimony in silicon, 1 extra electron is added. So it is the donor impurity. In p-type semiconductors, it is known as acceptor impurity because silicon is having 4 valence electrons, but boron is having 3 valence electrons. So 1 vacancy is created due to unequal number of electrons, and it creates positively charged electronic vacancy, which is responsible for the conduction of current, and the conductivity of the semiconductors is increased. So that is the defects and imperfection in solid.